to show you the secret of how we got 21 items removed off a client's credit report. If you think I'm playing crazy, check this out. So, as you can see right here, 21 items deleted from this client's credit report. Man, knock the credit bills out, right? So, as you can see, Equifax 25-point increase, 22-point increase, 30-point increase. But as you can see, this client's in the 400s, and I can't wait until we get this client in the 700s. Man, it's gonna be amazing, all right? The thing that we're using to, increase the chances of getting more deletions every single round, right? The items include personal information, negative accounts, and inquiries, right? And what we're doing is leverage a mixture of a lot of things, and I'm gonna show you here in a second, all right? But let me show you some of the things that got removed in this specific round. So as you can see, we got a one main collection. Now, the reason why, even though it's paid off, the collection is paid off, it's still hurting this person's credit report. As you can see, it's in collection status. Don't need to say what, as you know, still hurting this person's credit report, even though it's paid off, all right? This account still on this account, this one got removed, right? And this one got deleted, and bad card got removed, and we got some more items. Couldn't, screen isn't big enough to show all of them, but this is just some of the items that got removed off of this person's report, right? And you can kind of do the same exact thing. It's just leveraging what we call the Fair Credit Reporting Act and a little bit of Metro 2 compliance, and just pinpointing it out and showing them, hey, this account is inaccurate. These are laws that they're violating, and we just, of course, send the letters in certified and wait. And that's pretty much what you can do when it comes to your credit, right? So here's the letter that we created, right? As you can see, it has a layout of the actual accounts, and it's going to have the layout of all the accounts on the specific letter, right? You got the account name, account number, and what is inaccurate with this person's report, right? So as you can see, the date open, high credit, credit limit, payment status, last reporting date, last active, date of last payment, and 7-year history of this account. And look right here, we already see that the date open is incorrect, but the 7-year history, right? This is, as you can see, inaccurate. And a lot of things you can leverage to help you get the account removed from your report. The main thing is when it comes to disputing with Experian, disputing with TransUnion, disputing with Equifax, with the accounts that's holding your credit score back, it's just being consistent, sending out round after round after round, even if it comes back verified, even if it comes back modified, even if it comes back, whatever the case may be. The goal is to continue disputing, because what they're not doing is updating or modifying the account. They're not fixing the account. They're not changing none of the things. And all you have to do is just continue leveraging the inaccuracies, right? Because when you send a letter in and they say, hey, it's been updated or it's been modified, or they saying, hey, you continue sending the same letter in every single month, we're going to stop. You just want to go at it with another angle, and you can go at it with another specific angle of disputing, right? It's just being consistent when it comes to disputing. Just give yourself 6 to 12 months, or give yourself a year of consistently sending a letter every single round, and then throughout that time of the year, paying down your credit card debt, and you're going to see the changes there, what you're looking for. And remember, you don't need all 3 credit scores. Yes, you need all 3 credit scores to buy a house, but you don't need perfect credit to buy a house, because there are banks that only just check one specific credit bureau. And then once you go to the banks that only check one specific credit bureau, you know that, hey, I can go to this specific bank to sign up for them, and then based off my credit profile, I can get access to whatever I'm trying to do. That's basically what you're doing. It's just going to take time. It's going to let you know there's no magic thing where it's going to come off in 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. If you get it off, the main thing is getting it off before the 7-year mark, right? Because it's going to stay in your credit report for 7 years. So if you go to 15 USC 1681C, you're going to see that, hey, based on this, and everything matters when it comes to your account as well. Data first delinquency is very important, because the data first delinquency determines how long that specific account stays on your credit report. And if it's messed up, that means that account is going to stay in your credit report longer than it's supposed to, all right? And to check the data first delinquency and all that, you want to order your reports from Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and it's going to have it and it's going to lay it out. All right, and you can leverage that specific law that I just quoted, right? And I'm not a lawyer, just here to show you what's going on. You can leverage that to help you get the account removed from your report. Now, to create a letter that looks exactly like this, you're not going to be able to do it. But there are AI, artificial intelligence, to help you create a letter similar to this, right? And I can walk you through that, created multiple videos doing that, but it just helps you create a table that look like this, pinpointing the inaccuracies, and all you're doing is just say, this is account is inaccurate, the open date last active is messed up, delete account for a violation of 15 USC 1681 EB. And you want to do everything according to the law. So if you ever do need to talk to a lawyer or talk to somebody, you didn't do things out of order. You didn't do things that was get the lawyer caught up and stuff like that, saying that, hey, you did. So you just want to do everything according to the law, all right? Now, if you have any specific questions or you want me and my team to do it, hey, I got a crazy offer where if I don't get you no results, you don't gotta pay. If that's something you want to do, just let me know in the comments. But right now, calendar's fully booked for this week. So next week, if you want to schedule a call to get started or for me to start the process for you, just let me know in the comments. But hey, we've been knocking the credit bureaus out. Now, if you have any questions, just drop it in the comments. I'll create a video around it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Appreciate everything you've done.